Hovercraft, the air cushion vehicle, which is capable of traveling over land, air, water or any other surface. Today we will make a very simple hovercraft with things at home and also understand the working of it. Let's take the plastic cap of a bottle. Now we take a knife and we heat the knife because we want to make a hole at the center of the cap. So heat the knife properly. So you see, we have made a hole at the center of the cap. Now take an old CD and we have to fix this cap exactly at the center of the CD like this. So for that we make use of the Fevikwik. So put this Fevikwik exactly on the corners of the cap. Press it hard and leave it for some time so that it gets fixed to it. We will now blow a balloon. Now after the balloon is blown, just make sure of this. So at the bottom you fix a clip here like this. First check if the cap is tightly fixed to the CD or not. In case you feel that it is not tightly fixed, you can even make use of sellotape for tightly fixing it to the CD. Now once that is done, bring the balloon which we had inflated, and now we have to fix this balloon on this cap tightly. So now you understand why did we use this clip, so that the entire air inside the balloon remains retained within the balloon, but at the same time we have some space here so that we can fix it over this cap tightly. Now the hovercraft is almost ready. All you need to do is just remove the clip and see how the hovercraft actually moves. Now even before we do that, let's quickly understand how it actually works. So what it does is, it traps a cushion of air underneath itself and then floats along on top of it. So from where will it get this cushion of air? So the air that is stored inside the balloon, the moment the clip is removed, the same air forms the air cushion between the CD and the surface of the table. And this air cushion holds it high above any kind of obstruction on the surface, which allows it to travel smoothly on any surface. And that makes a hovercraft an air cushion vehicle. So let's remove the clip and see how it moves. So you see, it moves smoothly over the surface. Can you feel that? Due to the presence of the air cushion here, the movement is actually smooth. It doesn't get affected by any kind of barrier or obstruction that might be there on the surface of the table. And this is how a hovercraft works. I hope you liked the video and I am sure that you will make your own hovercraft now. Like and share the video, subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.